Terraforming Mars. Can we make it our new home? Imagine a future where humanity has not just visited Mars, but turned it into a thriving second home. A world with oceans, breathable air, and lush greenery under the orange skies of the red planet. It sounds like science fiction, but the idea of terraforming Mars is rooted in real science and growing possibilities. Could we truly reshape an alien planet to mirror Earth? How would we even begin? And what challenges lie ahead in this audacious vision of the future? Join us as we explore the science, the dreams, and the obstacles of terraforming Mars. The vision of a second Earth. Mars has always captured our imagination. From ancient mythology to modern science fiction, it has been a symbol of mystery and potential. But why Mars? Among all the planets in our solar system, Mars is the most Earth-like. It has a day length similar to ours, polar ice caps, and evidence of water in its past. Its atmosphere, though thin, holds the building blocks for creating an environment that could support life. For scientists and visionaries like Elon Musk, terraforming Mars isn't just a dream, it's a survival strategy. With Earth facing climate change, overpopulation, and other existential risks, Mars could be humanity's insurance policy. But how do we transform a cold, barren world into a thriving second home? Warming up the planet. Mars is freezing, with average temperatures around 80 to almost 60 degrees. To make it habitable, we'd first need to warm it up. One idea involves releasing greenhouse gases to create a thicker atmosphere. This could be done by building massive factories on Mars that pump carbon dioxide into the air, mimicking the process that's driving climate change on Earth. Another bold proposal suggests using giant mirrors in space to reflect sunlight onto the planet, gradually raising its temperature. But perhaps the most controversial idea involves nuking Mars. Yes, nuking it. The theory, championed by Elon Musk, suggests detonating nuclear weapons over the poles to release carbon dioxide trapped in the ice caps. This could kickstart a greenhouse effect, warming the planet quickly. Building an atmosphere. Once Mars is warmer, the next step is creating a breathable atmosphere. Mars's current atmosphere is over 95% carbon dioxide and lacks the oxygen we need to survive. Scientists propose introducing microorganisms like cyanobacteria to convert CO2 into oxygen, much like plants do on Earth. This process, however, would take centuries, if not millennia. So, in the short term, we'd likely live in domed habitats or underground bunkers, while the planet's atmosphere slowly transforms. Adding water. Water is life, and while Mars has frozen water at its poles and possibly underground, it doesn't have enough to create oceans or rivers. One idea is to import water by redirecting icy comets to crash land on Mars. Another approach involves melting the polar ice caps to release more water into the environment. Terraforming Mars would require creating a water cycle, evaporation, precipitation, and rivers flowing across the landscape. This step alone could take hundreds or thousands of years. The challenges of terraforming Mars. Radiation. Mars doesn't have a magnetic field like Earth to protect it from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Living on the surface would expose humans to dangerous levels of radiation, increasing the risk of cancer and other health issues. Creating a magnetic shield for the planet, or living underground, would be essential. Gravity. Mars's gravity is only 38% of Earth's. This could lead to long-term health problems, including muscle and bone loss. Scientists are still debating how humans might adapt to lower gravity over generations. Timescale. Terraforming Mars isn't a project that could be completed in decades. It would take centuries, if not thousands of years. This raises ethical questions. Is it right to transform a planet that might already harbor microbial life? Could it really work? Some scientists argue that terraforming Mars is impossible with current technology. Mars's thin atmosphere could be lost to space faster than we could build it up, and the cost would be astronomical, trillions of dollars over centuries. Yet others believe the challenges are worth tackling. The pursuit of terraforming Mars could lead to breakthroughs in technology and a better understanding of our own planet. After all, if we can learn to reverse engineer an atmosphere on Mars, we might be able to solve climate issues on Earth. Living on Mars before terraforming. While we wait for terraforming to progress, humans could live on Mars in high-tech habitats. These structures would be pressurized, temperature-controlled and shielded from radiation. Innovations like hydroponic farming could allow us to grow food in space, creating self-sustaining colonies. NASA, SpaceX and other organizations are already working on plans for human missions to Mars. The first settlers could arrive within the next few decades, laying the groundwork for future terraforming efforts. What Mars could look like after terraforming. Imagine a future where Mars has blue skies, sprawling forests, and oceans teeming with life. Cities would rise on its surface, connected by advanced transportation networks. The once barren landscape would be alive with plants, animals, and humans exploring a new frontier. Terraforming Mars isn't just about survival. It's about creating a new home for humanity, a place to dream big and start fresh. Terraforming Mars is one of humanity's most ambitious ideas. It's a vision that challenges us to think beyond our planet and push the boundaries of what's possible. While the road ahead is long and uncertain, the pursuit itself is a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending desire to explore. What do you think? Should we invest in terraforming Mars, or should we focus on saving Earth first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations of science, space, and the future of humanity. Together, let's dream big, stay curious, and keep reaching for the stars.